Our mission statement is to practice good ethics and integrity, treat our customers right before and after the sale, but more importantly, we want to be unique. We want to be extraordinary. That's our goal. Every day we start our day with trying to be better than the rest. We want to set the baseline. What makes us different here at Boulder City RV, one is we're small, which allows us to be able to work hand in hand with just about every customer. You won't walk into my dealership wondering, hey, who's in charge? Can I talk to the owner? Anything like that, because I'm here.
My experience was great. I came by after work one night, drove by, saw this bus, came back 2 days later. Me and Caleb went for a test drive, and I traded my old 94 Holiday Rambler for this 2007 Monaco Night. I loved it, and it was a super easy process. I got pre-approved, did the deal. It took all of maybe an hour to work out the details, and that was it. The service was awesome. The guys that work here are super nice, very helpful, and very informative. They know what they're doing. I definitely recommend anybody coming out here to check these guys out if you want service on your RV or even look to buy a new RV or even rent.